Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Clouds have been on the increase over the past several hours, and now it is in fact mostly cloudy all across North Alabama. 54 degrees right now in Guntersville. Actually able to see the clouds very well in that view over the lake. Same thing goes looking over the city from Montesano. 57 degrees. It's also 57 in Muscle Shoals, 53 in Decatur, and that's what it looks like all across the Wave 31 Thompson Roofing and Construction Skycam network. Let me show you what it looks like right now on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. 3 radars, 2 of them still showing a pretty quiet picture, Decatur and Guntersville, but that live real-time radar data from Muscle Shoals showing that thin line of showers. Now, because this radar is scanning a little bit lower to the ground than, let's say, the radar in Columbus, Mississippi, we're getting a really accurate picture here of what's showing up. That being said, not all of the rain that is showing up on the radar is still likely reaching the ground, but we are probably seeing a couple of raindrops in western Lauderdale County. And again, it's the lower scan level of that Muscle Shoals radar that gives me a little more confidence in saying that. Now look farther to the west, and there is more rain that's going to be knocking on our door as the night goes on, but at most I've got a 20% chance for a shower west of I-65 because the air is just so dry. Now I'll show you again what's happening out into East Texas because we still have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings. We've had a couple of tornado warnings with this. I show you this to point out that although these storms look very intense and are very intense right now, we're not going to see that severe threat in our area by tomorrow once all this rain does start to roll in, but it's all still part of the same storm system. This is a graphic that I pretty much never show on air, but it's worth showing you tonight when we talk about the relative humidity and just how low it has been. It's at 39% right now in Huntsville, 37% in Muscle Shoals. As the temperatures keep dropping and those temperatures get closer to the dew point, relative humidity starts going up. But the dew points are low themselves and the air is dry. That's what's causing a lot of the rain that has been showing up on the radar to really evaporate before it actually reaches the ground. You'll see this. We call this virga, and I actually saw a couple of clouds today. Almost looks like those kind of wisps coming from those cumulus clouds. Yeah, that's rain evaporating before it can reach the ground. Heading out the door tomorrow morning, there is still that 20% chance for a shower at 7 o'clock. Mostly cloudy, temperatures in the 40s tonight. By tomorrow afternoon, we are able to reach the mid-60s, but it's mainly late day rain, overcast otherwise. Watch what happens here as we go through the rest of tonight into tomorrow morning. That chance for a shower is there. Catch a little bit of a break by 7 o'clock, and then we're right back watching these showers creep in from the southwest. And look at that, 5 o'clock now all the way to 8 o'clock. We've got widespread rain after sunset tomorrow. Heavier rain starts to move in later tomorrow night. There's 1 o'clock in the morning all the way to early Wednesday. We've got showers that still linger into the first half of Wednesday, but it is going to be drier as we get into Thursday. Rainfall totals, most of us getting up to ½ an inch, but there will be higher totals farther to the south, and I would not be surprised for areas south of the river to end up with 3/4 of an inch. What we're not going to see is more snow like this on this camellia here from Lauderdale County. Melissa Dixon sent this one in the Alabama the Beautiful Facebook group. I thought it was a lovely picture. They're kind of spring and winter all in one. 70 forecast looks like this, 73 by Thursday. The rain is back on Friday with another cold front. It's a little bit cooler on Saturday.